Hello friends, welcome to Abhi and V tutorials. So today in this video, we'll see how to display measures in a row, in rows. Okay, for example, when you write measures and when you put in the matrix, they will be displayed like columns, right? So how to display measures in rows, we'll see today. So I have a sales data here. Okay, then I will write five measures. Okay, let's say sales underscore sum equal to is sum of sales. Okay, this is one measure, and my second measure is sales underscore average equal to average. Okay, sales. Okay, then I will take maximum of sales. Okay, sales underscore max equal to max of sales. Okay, then I will take minimum sales. Okay, let's me copy this, put it here, minimum sales. Okay, go to here, MIN. Okay, minimum sales. Then one more measure I will take, sales underscore count. Okay, equal to count sales. Okay, so five measures I have taken. Then I will take one matrix and I will select all these measures. Okay, sum, average, max, min, and count. So they are all selected in here in values. Okay, but they are all displayed like in a row here. Okay, in columns they are displayed, right? Here this is one column. Okay, right? So this is one column, this is one column, like this they are displayed in columns. So I want to display like in rows like this. Okay, I want to display all measures like this, five measures in rows. Okay, so let's see how to do it. Select this matrix and go to format your visual, then go to values. Okay, then select options, then switch to rows. Okay, switch values to rows, then click on this and switch on this. Okay, then all rows, all measures will be displayed in rows. Okay guys, hope you like this video. If you like this video, subscribe to my channel Abhi and V tutorials for more such amazing DAX videos. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.